Hello everyone. So after I've had breakfast, guys, what I'm gonna do is actually put my hair in. I was gonna just put the yarn in today as well, but I remember I don't have any, so I have to go get some to be perfect because I'm gonna be out tomorrow. But what I did want to show you guys are my nails. So look, this is one design. It's almost initially the same thing on both nails, but this one has a little bit of gift wrapping design on it, while this other one is more in the plain, no design. Just doesn't have this one design. But this is what I decided I ended up going with. So what I am gonna do today, as you can see, guys, my hair is out. I did leave in everything in it yesterday. So today what I'm gonna do is actually blow it out and braid it so I can go ahead and have it ready tomorrow. I just have to put the yarns in, make my life a whole lot easier since I'm always crazy busy, guys. So let's get to just blowing this out. Alright guys, now that I officially have this all together, it's going to be so much easier for me to actually get my hair done. And remember, I do this I actually just recently started doing this to my hair, and I don't do it all the time. This is just going to make my life easier when I do these braids. But remember, plenty of shea butter, plenty of heat protectant, guys, to make sure that you don't damage your hair. And I do this just to make my hair a little bit more manageable. I don't do it to straighten it out. If you guys can see, it didn't like bone straight it out. I'm gonna go ahead and actually just braid my hair away. This is as much as I'm doing for right now, guys. I'm gonna go work for today. Now let's actually braid these out so we can keep have another clip. That way I can pin these guys back. Alright guys, my hair's officially taken care of, and I have my hair washed, taken care of. I got it stretched enough, so when I go ahead, I have to put my braids in. It's gonna be a lot easier. And as I said, I'm super busy today, so I'm just trying to film a few pieces for you guys to see. I'm gonna go back to work and just worry about the rest of it mostly tomorrow. I'm most likely gonna braid it down today and then finish it tomorrow, like maybe later tonight after I get done with work.